Up on who they are. There's always one arrogant slump sitting at the bar. You're obviously not that good if you have to keep telling me how good you are. The fight breaks out and this is shown with no reason behind. There's something to do, it just feels right at the time. After 6 and then I'm where I wanna be, drowning all of my sorrows with my one-night family. Just like his friends were told how he likes to drink. It's funny how he leaves when it's his turn to get the in. It's his local, but he knows he's off to better things. Just hasn't got around to finishing off that final drink. Nobody knows that it is sad, but he's only happy when he's alone. He wants to travel the world, but there's no place like home. It's time to go, oh, it's time to go. He really has to go, you know, really has to go. After 9 and then I'm where I wanna be, drowning all of my sorrows with my one-night family. No, I don't know, no, I don't know, I don't know any of you, but I don't care, no, I don't care, 'cause I've got nothing to lose. It's time to finally lock the door, but now you're on the other side, 'cause you're ready for some more. A late night talks, a late night calls, to a drunk or to an ex. The common bond between you both is around your drinking nets. No, I don't wanna leave, even though it's finally time to go. But I'll be back next Friday when the 241 board's back on show. No, I don't wanna leave, even though it's finally time to go. But I'll be back next Friday when